It's not just about products anymore, it's about service. It's not just designing a space for people. In the hospitality sector, it's that interaction with people that is also being designed, so you're designing a complete experience.
We started out this semester by going for a site visit at the Thermes Parc des Bains in Val-d'Illiez, which is a spa. Our project was all about to make a new renovation of the spa, and as a group we kind of went through a lot of different things, including the Revit and the AutoCAD interior design. As you can see, we've done quite a lot of work with it, and it's been a really interesting project.
Actually, it's really interesting because all the groups did different projects. We don't have similar one, and I think it's because of the cultures, because we have all different nationalities.
What the students are having here is being able to look at design in its more traditional sense and look at the thinking processes behind that and then apply it to all the other elements of hospitality. It really is about designing the experience for people.
After we have all the process with every class in marketing, in finances, or project management, for example.
So at the end of the day, we tutor at some point how are all those modules being integrated.
That's true.
During the process.
Definitely.
In the project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
it's
obviously
fun.
they will learn a particular or a specific knowledge from each module, but in the end we want them to understand or see the big picture of this whole project. So eventually once they leave the school, they can actually apply this kind of understandings rather than specific knowledge. I think that is the point.
That design thinking you've been through the entire process that would be applicable to anything that you're going to do on a further or a closer future, whether if you decide to go more for a business career or then get really into design or develop more the hospitality management part. So the big benefit is that I think it gives you a big holistic framework of all different practices that at the end are explained only through one deliverable.
They realize about themselves, like, oh wow, that I can bring this kind of a fresh idea, new idea, something different.
We wanted to show the actual site in a 3D view during the presentation to have a good idea of the before and the after of the project.
Very professional presentations, and to be able to grasp that in such a short period of time is testament to the course itself, the staff, and the system that's been developed here.